So after the first over, Karnataka Bulldozers 7 without the loss of any wicket. Remember, they won the toss, choosing to bat first in this all very important game. Karnataka Bulldozers playing at home. Crowds here at the Chinnaswamy Stadium just filling in. In fact, pouring in now. The home team playing this game. They lost yesterday against Chennai Rhinos. From the far end, that's the BEML end, it's going to be Varun Badola. Although Sunny conceded 7 runs in his very first over, he's looking impressive. Varun also starting with a slip in place. A fine leg inside the circle. He's got 3 men on the onside, 6 on the off.
It is Varun who will operate from the far end. Varun is another good bowler for Mumbai Heroes. He gets the ball to swing away from the right-hander. That is why they've kept a slip for him, for the right-hander especially. 7 without loss at this stage. The Bulldozers, they need to bat well. They have faltered after that superb performance from the batsman in the first game. The last 2 games, the batting hasn't clicked at all.
Going for the sharp single, and could be overthrows. In fact, it was a good backup on that occasion. Keeper just missing that throw.
It's a non-striker Rajiv who doesn't seem to be interested. It was the striker's call and he should have responded more quickly. See, he's still waiting and then he runs. And if only the throw would have been more accurate, Rajiv could really have been in trouble. The keeper also slipped there. He was in no position to collect the delivery.
It's imperative as far as Karnataka Bulldozers are concerned to come good with the bat. That's the captain. Deep Karnataka Bulldozers, also the wicket keeper. That's a good delivery, some swing as well, but playing in the gap. Man stationed in the deep. One thing under lights is that the release is good, the wrist position is good. Definitely the bowlers, the new ball, the hard ball, will get that swing in the air, that movement in the air.
This is serious stuff here, Ajay. The intensity is there. Look at their faces. They're so determined to do well. They've prepared hard for these games, for this season too. They get some runs. A very good effort in the deep. More it is at mid-off. It is Shabbir, the captain. He wants them to understand the fact that he's leading, and this is the way to do it. It's the captain's call.
Well, that's beautifully done. That ball was travelling, and just see that for a commitment. Excellent effort, excellent effort. That shows the intensity on the field. That struck very nicely, handsome shot. Man in the deep, but he's a mere spectator on that occasion. Bhaskar at his best now.
That is a very good shot. He gets in a good position there. There is room for him to flay at it, and he does that in style. Good extension of his arms there. Bhaskar.
Once again playing some football on that occasion. Varun Badola, but does a good job. At times that can be a risky proposition.
But this is superb work by Varun Badola. It was on his follow through. He had to turn and stretch his right leg. and did that quite well. That would have gone straight to the fence because he had hit it so well, Bhaskar.
That's a good delivery within the stumps, yielding a single to end the over. The second one, 14 without loss.
Come on, guys, come on.